Hello friends, in this video I'm going to share with you two baked snacks recipe which is really easy to make and it's perfect for tea time. So let's start today's recipe. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn that notification bell for all the future uploads. So first we are going to make this really flaky jeera biscuit which is perfect for tea time snack. So let's start. Here I have all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and I have cumin seeds and roasted cumin powder, and about 8 tablespoons of butter which I have melted, and I'm going to add it to the flour and mix it until the flour holds the shape. Now add little water at a time and make a soft dough, not too hard, not too soft, and cover it, leave it for 15 minutes. Prepare the baking pan and preheat the oven at 375 degrees, and if you're making this in a kadhai or a pan, then you can preheat it as well. Now the dough has rested well. Now I'm going to take small portion and roll it into a ball, or you can make it more flaky by just pulling out the layers like this and make it a round shape. It makes it more flaky and very crunchy. So now I have prepared all the balls and put that into the baking trays. Now we are ready to bake. So for those who are making in the oven, bake for 20 to 30 minutes, and in the kadhai it will take little longer, like 30 to 40 minutes. Now cover it and bake until they are nice and golden on the outside. So here it comes out, and look at the color. It's nice and golden and it's flaky and it is perfect for tea time. Now let this cool and enjoy. Also that I have put in the kadhai, it's also ready. It just takes little more time, but it perfectly bakes as well. So enjoy this recipe with a perfect cup of tea. Now let's make this eggless cookies. It's naankhatai. For that I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and for the next ingredients I'm going to sift all the ingredients. So 1/4 cup of besan, that is chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, and half cup of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar. Now sift all the ingredients together so there are no lumps. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of semolina so that it's nice and crunchy, and half teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half cup of ghee, or you can also use shortening. Mix it until it forms a dough. No need to add water or milk or anything. It will form a nice dough just like this. Now let it refrigerate for 15 minutes so that the ghee that we have added, it's like freezes, so that it will be easier to roll. Now spread it as much as you can, and then you can add a butter paper on top of it and then roll it. It will be easier, it will not stick to your rolling pin. Now with the cookie cutter you can cut into the shapes. You can cut into desired shape and it's ready to bake. Make sure your oven is preheated. Now I'm going to make some cuts. This is optional, but it gives a nice look. And add some pistachios. It is also optional, but it gives nice look as well, and some elaichi powder or cardamom powder so that it gives nice flavor. Now bake for 15 to 20 minutes and they are ready. Let it cool and you can store it into an airtight container. So I hope you enjoyed both recipes, and please make sure to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time with another simple recipes. Till then, bye bye.